Good morning, student. It is the first video of chapter 1 of class 7th. Today is the 9th June. At first I telling about the introduction of the chapter 1. Chapter name is the integers. First is the natural number. You know about that already. What is the natural number? You not know. I am telling about that. Natural number start from 1. Alternatively short form of the n, like as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. After that the whole numbers start from 0. Alternatively shortest form is W, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Our chapter name the integers. So what is the integers? Positive and negative numbers are called integers. Alternatively, we put short form of the Z, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If positive numbers not have sign the plus, but those numbers are not have the any sign, so it is the positive numbers. And those sign have the minus sign, they are called the negative numbers. Integers put on the numbers line. We draw the line. It is the line we put the numbers on. It is the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It means it is the increasing order. Second thing, -1, -2, -3, it is the decreasing order. It means it is the smallest number. So we put the positive numbers 0 on the right hand side, and we put the negative numbers left hand side of the 0. So already I draw the number line of question number 1 of exercise 1.1. So our question 1, it is the number line. Right here the place name Lawley Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Uti and Bengaluru. So question number A, what is the temperature of the Lawley Spiti? So similar here the -5, after that -6, -7, -8. So it is the arrow on the -8. So Lawley Spiti temperature is the -8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar temperature it is the 1, 2 to -2 degrees Celsius. Similar temperature arrow sign on the positive right hand side 1 and 2 to +2. What is the temperature of Uti? Here the arrow on the -10, -11, -12, -13, -14. So Uti temperature is -14 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature of Bengaluru? 20, 21, 22. The arrow sign on the 22. So Bengaluru place temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. So similarly you find the difference between the temperature. What is the difference between the temperature of Simla and Lawley Spiti? Question number 2, B, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place? Hottest place temperature. So hottest place temperature in the right hand side, last place name is the Bengaluru. So Bengaluru temperature is the 22 degree Celsius. And the coldest place left hand side is the Lawley Spiti. Coldest place temperature it is the -8 degrees Celsius. The difference between -22 Celsius -8 degrees Celsius. So 22 degrees Celsius minus converting to +8 degrees Celsius. So it is 30 degrees Celsius. it is the difference between. Question number C, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? So at first you add the difference, add the temperature Srinagar and Simla. After that you find the negative difference between the Simla temperature. So you solve it. Question number second of exercise 1.1 chapter 1 integers. So question number second is, in a quiz competition a student Jack score in 5 success round. First round he get the score 25 degree 25, and second round his score is -5. In third round his score is the -10, and fourth round his score is 15. In third round his score is 10. So what is the total score of Jack? So Jack total score 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. Both are the negative numbers and those are the positive numbers. So at first we add the positive numbers at a similar place. 25 plus 15 plus 10 and -5 plus -10. So it is the 50 minus digit -15. So his score is 35. Question number is third, Srinagar temperature -5 degrees Celsius. Solution third, Srinagar temperature -5 degrees Celsius on Monday. But next day, Tuesday, the temperature dropped -2 degrees Celsius. Dropped temperature -2 degrees Celsius. So Tuesday temperature -5 degrees Celsius plus -2 degrees Celsius. Both are the negative numbers. We add it, but we find the answer in minus digit. So Tuesday temperature -7 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. And next day means rise temperature on Wednesday 4 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature on Wednesday? So Wednesday temperature -7, rise means +4 degrees Celsius. तो what is the temperature? -3 degrees Celsius. क्योंकि negative digit is the greatest, positive digit is the short form, so we find here the -3 degrees Celsius. Any addition, any subtraction, minus regular sign convert into the positive. Then we add a difference. Positive numbers are greater than indifference, so we find the answer in the positive numbers. Negative numbers are the greater, so we find the answer in negative numbers. I am telling about some examples. Example 1. Put the sign greater, smaller and equal. Question A, -8 plus -4, 10 and -4. At first we solve it. After that we put the sign greater, smaller and equal. It is the negative number, it is the negative number, so minus minus we add it, so we find in the negative digit -12. Here 10 minus 4 we find the 6. So greater number is the 6, smaller number is the -12, so we put here sign smaller. B, -10 -2 10 -5. देखो माइनस एंड माइनस वी एड इट तो -12. सॉरी हेयर 14, 8 और 4 12. अब हेयर 10 बट माइनस एंड माइनस कन्वर्ट इनटू द प्लस, क्यों माइनस माइनस इज द रेगुलर साइन, सो माइनस माइनस कन्वर्ट इनटू द प्लस. तो हेयर -12, here 15 is the greater number, so we put here smaller sign. So it is similarly you solve the question number 9 of exercise 1.1. We put the numbers on the number line. Example first, put the numbers on the number line. A, -7. At first we draw the number lines. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the positive numbers. But no matter, because we have the minus sign, so we find the here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is the arrow -7 here. B, 4. So it is the positive sign, because it have no any sign in front of this digit, so it means it is the positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the 4. C, 9. So here we increase the letter here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 9. So it is a 3 example. We put the 3 numbers on a one line. You draw the different line. So you put the -7, 4 and 9. So dear student, our exercise 1.1 is complete. All questions are similar of the examples and the given questions. Put the signs. After that I share the next video. After you revise the exercise 1.1, you have any doubt, so you convey the message WhatsApp on the ND Ganga School. Exercise 1.1 complete, class 7, chapter 1. Thank you. Have a nice day.